Before we begin, I'd like to give a massive shout out to GF Cubing for designing the amazing beat you're listening to in this video here. GF not only makes some awesome music, he also makes some amazingly high quality cubing content. I'd definitely recommend subscribing if you haven't already. The link will be in the description below. I'd also appreciate some feedback from you guys. Should I continue using beats like these in my videos? Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, now that all this is done, let's begin with the actual video. Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 of the easiest EG1 algorithms that you must know. So if you guys do not know, the EG method is an advanced 2x2 method where you basically solve one phase and then solve the rest with one algorithm. There are 3 types of cases you can get here. The first one is called CLL, where you have the entire layer solved, and there are 42 cases for this. The second one is called EG1, where there's one bar solved and you place that bar in the back and you solve the rest with one algorithm. There are 43 cases for this. And then the last one is called EG2, where you have absolutely no bars solved and you solve the rest with one algorithm. There are 43 cases for this. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 5 extremely easy EG1 algorithms that, in my opinion, you guys must learn. Just a quick disclaimer before we begin, you guys must know CLL recognition to follow along with this video. If you guys are interested in a CLL recognition tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. However, without any further ado, let's begin right with this video. So the first case we got here is probably the easiest EG1 case ever. It's basically a pi case from this angle where these two are the same and these two are opposite. The algorithm goes like this. Basically, you take this piece out like this, you insert it in here, and then you insert this. And here it is a little bit faster. So the second case we got here is this anti-zoom case where these two outer stickers are opposite and this one is adjacent. Basically, this case starts off the same way as the previous one. Take this piece out, insert this. However, instead of inserting this last piece normally, you do a U prime and then sledgehammer. And here it is a little bit faster. The next case we have here is a T case where these two are opposite and this one is adjacent. So what you do here is start off the same way as the previous two algorithms. Take this piece out and then insert this. However, before inserting this last one, just do a U and then insert this with an R, U2, R prime. And here it is a little bit faster. So this next case over here is an H case where these two are the same and these two are opposite. So for this, what you have to do is start off the same way you would start off with a J perm, R, U, R prime, F prime. However, after this you just finish with double sexy. And here it is a little bit faster. Finally, the last case here is an L case from this angle where these two are the same and this one is opposite. So for this algorithm, what you have to do is start off the same way as the previous algorithm, R, U, R prime, F prime, and then you do a sexy move. However, you finish off with a hedge slammer like this. And here it is a little bit faster. So that's about it for 5 of the easiest EG1 algorithms that you guys must learn. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye.